Drop it.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to continue with our JOptionPane program. So on the screen, I'm going to share to you different methods available for JOptionPane. The first method is show confirmed dialog with two parameters here, parent and then message. Shows a yes no cancel message box containing the given message on the screen and return an integer value. The option includes option yes, meaning that the user can press yes, no option, meaning the user can press no, or the cancel option. The second method is that show input dialog with two parameters or arguments, parents and message. Shows the input box containing the given message on the screen and returns the user's input value as a string. Okay? The third one is show message dialog, which we had earlier. Two arguments, we have the parent and then the other one is the message. Shows the given message string in a message box on the screen. Here's our program. So I already prepared our program that allows us to demonstrate the use of the different JOptionPane option. First thing is I have here a string data type and then the name variable which is set to JOptionPane show input dialog box or show input dialog. This show input will display as a box containing a text area wherein the user can type in the different values. In this case, we're going to ask for their name. Second is we're going to use JOptionPane show confirmed dialog. Like I mentioned earlier, it returns an integer type. So we have your int choice and then the JOptionPane show confirmed dialog. Now we're going to ask the user, this is the question, do you like milk tea? And then after that, we're going to display the name on this side. The name will be fetched from the previous input that we had earlier. Now we have a condition here. So for the first condition, this first condition will answer if the user press yes, it will display, of course, who doesn't. So if choice is exactly equal to JOptionPane, that yes option, meaning the user press yes, we will have here a dialog box, show message dialog box, to show the message, of course, who doesn't. Else, we're going to show another dialog box, but why? Please explain. The second option here falls under the no option or the cancel option. So if the user decides to press cancel, the message, but why, please explain, will be displayed on the screen. So let's run. So here's our input dialog box. Now the user is being prompted to enter their name. Since we are in the graphical user interface, we have here the text that we have inputted, the text that we want to display. This is what your name, and then we have here a text box that, let's say, it types our name. Let's say we have here Johan, and then you have two options, cancel and OK. So if you press OK here, this is our select option. We have here three. First, this side displays the do you like a milk tea, which is the question. This is now our confirmation dialog. Now there are three choices here, cancel, no, and yes. If the user press yes, what happens is that we're going to display, of course, who doesn't. While if you press cancel and no, we will have here, but why? Please explain. So let's press, do you like? Yes. So of course, who doesn't? This is our message dialog box. And then press OK, it returns to the program. So if we run our program again, run, okay? But this time, let's wait for a while. The program is compiling. This time we're going to type our name, Haven, then press OK. If we press no, what happens is that it goes to our second option here. But why? Please explain. So this is an implementation of JOptionPane together with different types of inputs such as we have the show confirmation dialog or show confirm dialog, show input dialog, and show message dialog. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.